2014 Kia Forte. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs to switch out, and I have the get these small nuts off. Have a number 10 socket, and for the spark plug itself, I have a 5/8 deep socket, deep well socket. Number 10, 5/8. Not going to come out. Put this stuff down a bit. Be able to grab it. It's out. Repeat the same process all the way over. I was told that this particular brand was not pre-gapped, so you gotta go find out your gap, what the gap is, and this is .004. You can see that. You gotta take this cheap gap tool. Make sure that's on .004. If not, you have to open it a little bit, or you need to press down to get it gap closed. This tool will take care of that. Put it back down in there. Or you can use a hose. I'm just sitting down in there.
move, you lose. Doesn't matter how old you are. If you don't move, you lose. You could have stayed on. You want to be on YouTube? This worked out pretty good. I had to actually put another battery inside, but this part is fine. This the power to turn it. And when I was holding on to it, like this, it didn't have enough boost, but put a different type of 20 volt battery in there instead of no battery that comes in there, and it was able to pull me pretty good. But this was designed for kids, but it works great. But it got hacked, and when it got hacked, I was able to use it. And this blade here wasn't a bad idea, but it worked pretty good. So holding it straight, it does pull you.